Here we're going to go over the calendar groups. So this lives under the calendar settings in your CRM. So here you can see all of the groups that have previously been created. You can search for a group name by typing in the group name here. So if I put in test, you can see my test groups. And then here you'll be able to see the group names, the number of calendars that live inside of each group, the date and time the calendar group was last updated, the status, whether it is active or inactive, and then here you have the action dropdown. This gives you a variety of options within your calendar groups. So here you can edit a calendar group, you can copy an embed code, copy the permanent link or the scheduling link depreciated. You can also click on this to rearrange your calendars, and then you have the option to deactivate all calendars in group or delete a group. So to add a new group calendar, we're going to click on Create Group here. And then this is going to pop up for you to type in a group name, a group description, and then your URL slug. So here I'm going to go ahead and do appointment reminders. And then my group description, I'm going to do monthly, quarterly, and bi-yearly. And then your calendar URL slug. So I'm going to go ahead and just do appointment reminder. Let's try appointment reminder. Go ahead and create. All right. And then you'll see your new group in here.